Hi, Fofo. Can you introduce the first president of the American for me?
Certainly. The first president of the United States was George Washington. He served from 1789 to 1797 and played a crucial role in establishing the foundations of the American government.
Great. Could you tell me a story when the president was a kid?
Certainly. When George Washington was a young boy, he famously chopped down his father's cherry tree. When confronted by his father, he admitted to the deed, famously saying, "I cannot tell a lie." This story is often used to illustrate his honesty and integrity.